This short demonstrates a cardboard solar oven that bakes a marshmallow using only sunlight. Build a shoebox oven, line the inside with foil, place a black tray, and cover with a transparent lid, then point it toward the sun. Drop in a marshmallow or tiny cookie, watch through the lid, and note how heat rises and the treat softens as it bakes. The science hinges on light converting to heat, and the oven trapping it with insulation and a reflective surface. Safety tips include staying with the setup, using oven mitts, and using solar cooking to save energy while learning at home.